In this video, I'll show you how to do a quick login to Roblox. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips. Quick login in Roblox allows users to securely access their accounts on a new device without entering their full credentials, making the process faster and more convenient. It's especially useful for transitioning between devices seamlessly. To access your Roblox account quickly and efficiently, start by opening the login page on your PC or laptop. Once the page loads, you'll notice multiple login options designed for convenience. If you prefer not to manually input your username and password, use the Email Me a one-time code feature. This method is straightforward and secure. Click on the button, and a field will appear asking for your email address. Enter the email linked to your Roblox account and click Send Code. Shortly after, check your email inbox for a one-time code sent by Roblox. Enter this code in the designated field on the login page, and you'll gain instant access to your account. Alternatively, you can opt for the Use Another Device method. Clicking this option will display either a QR code or an alphanumeric code on your screen. To proceed, grab a device where your Roblox account is already logged in. If you choose the QR code, simply scan it using the device's camera. For the alphanumeric code, manually enter it on the second device. Both approaches bypass the need for entering credentials, streamlining the login process. These methods ensure you can log into Roblox effortlessly, saving time and enhancing your user experience. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.